Hey everyone, this is the Honest Straight Review channel where I tell you the truth about products, straight to the point. In this video, I'll give you a sincere and straightforward review of Zeneara. Does it really work? Is it worth buying? Watch until the end to clear all your doubts before investing your money. Today, you'll learn what Zeneara is, for what it promises, the pros and cons, my final opinion, whether it's really worth buying. What is Zeneara? Zeneara is a 100% natural supplement developed for people suffering from ear ringing, tinnitus, and hearing problems. According to the official website, it targets the root cause of the issue, not just the symptoms. Manufacturer's promises permanently eliminates tinnitus, naturally restores hearing-safe formula, no side effects, fast action, visible results in weeks, 100% natural and approved. But is this all true or just another internet promise? Let's dive into the tests and real analysis of the product. Pros. Now let's talk about what really surprised me about Zeneara. Here are the positive points I noticed while testing and analyzing it. Tinnitus relief. Many users reported that their ear ringing started decreasing within the first few weeks of use. If you suffer from constant noise in your ears, this could be life-changing. Gradual hearing improvement. Zeneara contains ingredients like ginkgo biloba and B-complex vitamins, which help with circulation and regeneration of auditory nerves. Natural and safe ingredients. It's 100% natural with no reported side effects so far. Plus, it's approved, adding credibility. Easy to use. Just take 2 capsules a day with a glass of water. No need to leave home for treatment. 30-day guarantee. If you don't see results, you can request a refund. This shows the manufacturer's confidence in the product. Cons. Not everything is perfect, so here are the downsides or areas where Zeneara could improve. Not sold in pharmacies. You can only buy it on the official website. This ensures authenticity, but may be inconvenient for those who prefer in-person purchases. Slightly expensive. A single bottle may seem pricey, but discounted bundles, like 3 or 5 units, offer better value. Results vary. Some users reported quick improvements, while others only saw changes after 30-60 days. Consistency and patience are key. Final verdict. In my opinion, Zeneara is worth it if you suffer from constant tinnitus, have mild to moderate hearing loss, want a natural alternative without invasive procedures, but I don't recommend it if you expect a miracle in 2 days. Like all natural supplements, it requires consistent use. Who I recommend it for? People with persistent tinnitus, those experiencing age-related hearing loss, anyone who's tried other treatments without success, those who prefer natural solutions. Important note, if you have severe hearing loss or trauma-related damage, Zeneara may not be enough on its own. Consult your doctor. My final rating, 8.7. For its purpose, ingredients, user reports, and transparency, Zeneara is a high-quality product with real potential to help. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Honest Straight Review so you don't miss more honest reviews like this. The official Zeneara link is in the description. Avoid fake sites as this product is heavily pirated. Drop a comment below. Have you tried it or know someone who's considering it? See you in the next video.